In the mountains above Acapulco, drought-stricken squatter communities have been hit the hardest, leaving families desperate for clean water. Crises don't take holidays, and neither do we. This week alone, our team delivered purified water to 57 more families. That's 353 families who have now received life-saving water, but we're not done yet. Over 750 families remain in dire need. For just $23, you can provide clean water to a family in need. $180 helps 8 families. Water is life. Give the gift of life this holiday season via Zelle or Venmo at savelives@wings-CRS.org or via PayPal or credit card. wings-CRS.org/donate. At Wings CRS, we do it all for love. Join us and make a difference in saving more lives today.